Most developers reach for a for loop by default, but that's actually the wrong choice in many situations. Let's find out when a while loop is the better tool. Use a while loop when you don't know how many iterations you need in advance. The loop continues until a specific condition becomes false. This makes while loops perfect for indefinite or unknown iteration counts, where you're waiting for something to happen rather than counting through a sequence. In contrast, use a for loop when you know exactly how many times to iterate. This includes looping through arrays, collections, or a specific range of numbers. For loops excel at definite iteration counts because they bundle the initialization, condition, and increment into one clear statement. Here's a concrete example. Reading user input until they type quit requires a while loop. You can't predict how many attempts the user needs. The scanner keeps reading until the condition is met. Compare this to a for loop iterating through an array where the size is known up front. The key difference is how they handle iteration control. While loops check a condition before or during each iteration and continue until it's false. For loops iterate a predetermined number of times based on a counter or collection size. Remember, use while when you don't know how many times to loop, and for when you do. Practice identifying which pattern fits your problem. Good luck with your interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.